banking sector continues their dream run this year with Nifty Bank and Nifty PSU banks hitting their record highs. The Nifty PSU Bank index actually has outperformed sharply with upside of 30% year to date seen in their index, with names like Indian Bank, Canara Bank and Bank of India delivering 40 to 60% of returns. And now Bank of Maharashtra is in the spotlight. The government has launched an offer for sale to bring its stake below the mandatory 75% threshold, helping the bank meet minimum public shareholding norms. The OFS includes a 5% base offer plus 1% green shoe option, totaling 6% equity on the table. Now, the floor price was set at 54 rupees per share at a 6.35% discount, amounting to 2,500 crores of potential transaction. Now, the demand has been seen strong on the day one, with the subscription coming in at over 4 times the share on offer. The valuations of the company actually tell an interesting story about it, and the bank's price to book ratio, if you see, was around 0.77 times in 2020 to 2.59 times it raised in April 2024 before moderating to 1.4 times by December 2025. And on a 1 year forward basis, if you see, it stands out at 2.03 times, still reasonable compared to its peers. Now, the analysts remain unanimously positive on the stock with 100% buy ratings and an upside of 21% from the current levels. What's also noteworthy is the foreign investor interest. Now, the FII holding has jumped from just 0.16% in 2022 to now 2.35% by September 2025, signaling rising institutional confidence in the company. But there are a few things to watch out for you, like can the bank sustain their NIMs between 3.75% to 4%? Also, will their agri segment stress ease as guided by the management? And how does the retail and MSME upgrades come through in the coming quarter? Also, the bank is expected to raise 5,000 crores in the fresh equity, which could have an impact on the near-term valuations of the company. So, these were the key highlights for you to watch for the company.